Hello guys, good afternoon. How are you all doing? Hope you're doing great. So just a quick update on my box braid. The roots of the tip of the hair is still nice. Like although the coil is a little bit loose right now, but they still looking okay. And I've also washed this braid 3 times. So I've washed the roots. I've used a shampoo and conditioner to wash the braid and the root. I really get into the roots to make sure to get all the dead skin out. And then I moisturize this hair every week. Yeah, once a week, just to make sure to keep my scalp moisturized, so that will prevent the dry scalp. So I did that every week. I don't use oil. I use like a leave-in conditioner. So sometimes I just only apply a scalp serum just to moisturize the scalp a little bit. So that's all I've been doing, and so far the braids are still looking good. The color is still popping, and it's been 6 weeks and a couple of days now since I had this braid on. Even my husband is surprised that I still have this braid on. Like, I usually don't keep my braids or any kind of hairstyle for this long. Maybe because I did it for my vacation, and throughout the whole vacation I didn't try to change my hair. Well, no, there's no time to even do my hair. I was busy having fun, and I think that's why the hair lasted this long. So I'm still loving the braids. The only thing that I'm having issue with is the roots of the hair, because after 3 wash, my natural hair, they are not having it at all. They are ready to be free, but I'm still trying my best to tame them in place. Okay, let me just address my edges right now, guys. Okay, I was running out of time this morning. I didn't have enough time to lay down my edges, so I just did my makeup and then went out the door. So do not judge the way they're looking right now. And also, they've grown a lot. As you can see, they have grown so much. That's all I have to say today. I just want you guys to take a look at my braids. I love this knotless boss braid. I might just do my braid like this from now on, the knotless boss braid. My goodness, I love it. And I don't think I'm taking them out this week. I might just hold off till next week. I'm not sure. Alright, that's it.
I swear I like your style. Put you in Chanel cause it's just perfect for your smile. Girl, I swear for you I run the world, I'd run the miles. The way you look at me, I think I'm going insane. It's crazy how we started out to what the love